So what's the biggest piece of advice you would give someone who's maybe not getting a lot of sales right now and really needs to know what to do next? Hey there, so I am actually getting ready to meet with Fiona, and we are going to go to a thrift shop that she knows about, and see what we can pick up. I've never vlogged or filmed anywhere, so this is going to be a first for me, and hopefully a very good place to go and a very good experience, because Fiona's so awesome. So let's just get to driving and get on over there. Who I found. Hey, this is Fiona.
It looks like we're sharing a basket.
Oh yeah?
Yes.
Okay. What's going on?
I am actually looking for something for myself because I'm flying to Philly tomorrow.
Ooh.
And I just realized that I don't have a coat. Or pretty much anything warm. I was like,
Oh, look, I found one
like
for you.
Perfect.
There you go.
Yes, this is exactly. How did you know?
Lucky guess.
That's exactly why I'm here.
This is a cool shop. Nice, a lot of good things from what I saw already. I already want to dig through everything.
Oh my god, I actually have never gotten to the whole place.
No?
Like, no.
Wow.
But what's really funny is you'll find stuff like this, and you have to dig through things like this, but then you'll find like James purse and Valentino and Gucci hidden amongst the stuff.
Wow. Do they price them up too? Or
not really. Like, so like today the green tags are $1.
Ooh.
And what's really interesting is that they usually, you can come days where they'll have like 50-cent sales, 25-cent sales. It's amazing. I love this place.
Wow.
Love it.
It's very decorative. A lot of other items. Ooh, fine Italian yarn.
Yeah, this, check this out. I have no idea who this brand is, but it's a cashmere silk. It has 50% cashmere and 50% silk. And it's perfect.
Ooh, feels soft.
And
That'll be perfect, yeah.
I'm not telling this.
Nice. Are we shopping for us then today? I always find the most stuff though when I shop for myself.
I always find the most stuff when I'm shopping for other people, and when I'm specifically shopping for myself, I can never find it.
I always find a lot, and so I always end up with a lot going home just for me. And then my Poshmark closet is skimpy. Hey, so I just left with Fiona. We went thrifting for a little bit, but now we are going to the Posh and Zips. So if you have any questions for me or any other Poshers, or for Fiona, who is a seller on Amazon and like all these different sites. So if you have any questions, I mean, she's done ThredUp too. So, you know, just let us know and we'll get those answers for you at the Posh and Zip.
I'm Fiona. I've been a reseller for I think about 2.5 years. I started with Amazon, which is probably not where people should start. I actually have had a Poshmark closet for over a year. Like, I started on Poshmark and then it didn't work. I was like, eBay is easier. That makes no sense. eBay is not easier. Poshmark is. And it's now, I'm doing it part-time. I have a full-time job. I'm actually a manager of a fairly large team. So if I can do it, then anyone can do it, because I am super busy. And I would say, like, reselling is the best part-time job that you can have, or full-time if, you know, that's what you want to do. I actually reached out to Adrian. Was it on Instagram? I was watching YouTube videos because it was when I was really like trying to start my Poshmark closet. Like, okay, I'm gonna get serious about this. And I was looking at different YouTube videos, and I came across Adrian's, and I'm like, oh my god, it's so well put together. I like how she just starts right off giving the information. That's important. And then I realized that she lived in Phoenix. So I was like, oh my god, let me reach out to her on Instagram. It might be weird. It probably is. But let's see how she responds. I'm not a creeper. I promise.
And she's not. She's actually amazing.
I sell on Amazon, eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, and I have things listed on Relove, but I haven't sold anything yet because I don't really understand it that much. I think the concept is amazing, but I just haven't really figured it out, and I haven't paid that much attention to it. I would say start with your own closet. Don't rush out and buy a ton of things, and always do your research. But buy things you like and that you love, and because you're not going to want to list it or share it if you don't really like it and you're just going off of what people tell you. So that was more than one tip, wasn't it? It was just like one long run-on sentence. So yeah, that one long run-on sentence, all of that. Johnny Was, Freebird, and surprisingly, Loft, Lou & Grey, and New York & Company. New York & Company flies out of my closet for actually a good price, between $20 and $30. Lou & Grey is always a quick sell, and so is Loft, if it's a good size and a good look. Topshop. Topshop is the devil. Let me think of another one. I like Aileen Fisher, but she likes to sit for a long time in the closet. I mean, eventually someone will come around and buy her, but she stays there for a while. What was another one that everybody said? I know a lot of people are not going to agree with this, but I want to say, I don't stay away from this one, but Wild Fox. Because everybody's like, oh my god, Wild Fox. But it has to be a particular design, because Wild Fox jeans just sit forever for me. But some of the tops, and not the tank tops, they go really fast. But the jeans, stay away from Wild Fox jeans. Don't do it. They don't move.
Okay.
At least not for me. I didn't. Amazon was just like, I was reading about people that were selling on Amazon, and I didn't think it was a thing, and it was so easy to get started that I just sent stuff in and was like, I think I spent like $200. I went out to a store and I bought stuff on clearance. Of course, I like scanned it to see, you know, how much it would sell for, and then I just sent it in. And that was the start of it. There wasn't too much thought put into it. It was just kind of like, but that's kind of how I am anyway. Like, I'm just gonna do it. Let's try it. Let's see what happens. Nothing to lose except $200. But I sent it in. The stuff started to fly off the shelves, and I'm like, oh, okay. let's keep sending stuff in. And so I was like really into it. And then I think 2018 net profit without like cost of goods or anything, we made around $22,000. And I mean, so for people starting out and not really knowing what they're doing, not bad. My favorite would be Poshmark because of how easy it is. I don't like that 20%, but when it comes down to it, I sell the most on Poshmark. It's the easiest, and I control who sees or how many I control how often my listing is pushed to the top of the search algorithm. So that's what I like the most about it. Like Amazon, eBay, Mercari, I don't know how, I don't know. Like I just get random sales on Mercari. Same with eBay. And eBay I get like clusters of sales. Like I'll get like 2 and then nothing and then like 2. So Poshmark, because it's consistent.
Okay, so what's the biggest piece of advice you would give someone who's maybe not getting a lot of sales right now and really needs to know what to do next?
I would say for Poshmark, look at your pictures. I think when people aren't, like, when I talk to people who aren't getting a lot of sales and I look at their closets, it's probably something with the pictures. Like, are your pictures dark? Because you have to consider, like, think about when you're scrolling through Instagram. When you're scrolling through Instagram, what makes you stop and look at that picture? Because every picture on Instagram will maybe get 2 seconds of your time. But there's certain photos that you're just like, huh, what made you stop and look at it? And follow like Urban Outfitters or Free People, follow brands and then look at how they're promoting their clothing and then kind of like mirror them because you're a salesperson. Like it's not, if you're actually looking to make this a part-time or full-time job, this is now a source of income for you and you need to look at it the same way the clothing stores are looking at it.
Okay, thank you. Great advice. One last question, which is very, very important, but why are you leaving Adrian?
I am not leaving Adrian. I am leaving Scottsdale. And the only reason is, it's just, so me and my boyfriend were both from Ohio and our family is all back that way. Like I have family in Atlanta, Alabama, and most of my family is in Ohio, so it's really just to be closer.
Okay.
But I'll be back here like once a month. And I'm gonna make sure Adrian has all the dates.
Okay, good. I don't want one missed date. I need all of them.
I'm gonna give her all the dates.
All right, Fiona, thank you.